This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the hidden menu because you need granular controls for testing and debugging. Go to Settings, then About Phone, and locate build number. Tap build number 7 times, you'll see a countdown and then a message that developer options are enabled. Once done, make sure the device is still unlocked so you can access the new menu. This step unlocks Power User Tools. That's why it's required before changing USB debugging, animation scales, or background process limits. Now that developer options are unlocked, you need to open them to adjust settings safely. From Settings, go to System, then tap Developer Options. Toggle the master switch to on so options become active. Scroll deliberately to find USB debugging, animation scale settings, and OEM unlock. Each affects behavior differently. Enable USB debugging if you plan to connect to a computer. Adjust animation scales to speed UI feedback. Make sure to read brief descriptions under Finish by applying changes carefully. Alter one setting at a time and immediately test the behavior so you can isolate issues. If something misbehaves, revert that single change or toggle developer options off to restore default behavior while you investigate. If developer options do not appear, reboot the device and repeat the build number tapping. Sometimes the unlock requires a restart. As a quick troubleshooting tip, clear system UI cache or reboot after changes. That often resolves display or permission glitches without further risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.